Hello, I'm in a 2005 Acura MDX and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, you should see a little lever here with resistance to a pull. That kind of pop sound was the safety being released. You should still feel some tension on here. If there's nothing going on, if you can see, there's back up in there, there should be some cables and things that need to be connected. You make sure those are all in good shape. Now I'll go up to the front. You can see the hood's a little loose now, so it should be kind of loose. Most vehicles near the middle, you'll find a lever. So right here, it's on this one, so I'm going to push and lift. So push, lift. There we go. There's the hook it was on, and then here's that lever. If you're having issues, make sure there's no like debris in here, maybe some WD-40 to loosen it up. Sometimes if the hood's out of alignment, you might need to straighten up these components so it closes more properly. And then worst case, these parts are fairly affordable to replace if needed. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.